just recorded TikToks about how my first week of TikTok shop, I didn't get any sales and all the blah blah blah. But you know, with you guys, I said I was gonna update y'all for all the major things, and literally the next day, I got my first sale. One $13 sale for $1 commission. I don't know what the product is. It's not letting me like, you know, it always says that thing on TikTok Shop, like, oh, we're still updating metrics, blah, blah, blah. So when I click on like performance data to see more, it's not showing me what video or what product it is yet. So I can keep promoting that, as I already did my return 2 days ago for the last batch of products. So hopefully it's one of these supplements that I can't return, or if it's not, if it's something I have to buy again to make more videos for. I still have a lot of drafts too, though. But yeah, so my first TikTok Shop video on day 8 or 9. I'm not really trying to keep track and do this like weekly thing, because things might not come weekly or monthly, and then you get discouraged. You know what I'm saying? But my first, I got in on the 17th. And first video was the 18th, so this is day 9. Yeah, so day 9, and I got my first TikTok shop sale, posting 5 to 6 videos a day. I posted 7 videos one day, but I felt like my views were going down the more I posted. So I felt like 6 is the sweet spot with I can get my drafts out, because I keep ordering new products. And I feel like my goal, I feel like there's no point in me making more videos on a product until one goes viral or I get a sale. I could be doing it wrong. Some people, I've seen another guy's TikTok shop page, and all his videos are the same product, every single one. And he had some viral ones, but they weren't the first ones, you know? So you have to do what works for you, I guess. So we'll see. Maybe I'll keep these next few a little longer. Some of the last ones I kind of want to keep, like the phone mount, the suction mount everyone has. I kind of need that, but I just still return it. Just keep the money low, you know? I could order on TikTok Shop. Now I noticed now that they do let you say get a sample, and you only can return it after you made a sale or two. So I'm like, I kind of want to do that, but at the same time, it's like then I could be stuck with a bunch of products that I don't have a sale for, versus like the one I get a sale for. Then I can just keep promoting that from just an Amazon product, versus, I can return all the Amazon back and whenever, and I can just rebuy it when it goes viral. So I feel like that's a little better. I could be wrong about that, because they are cheaper on TikTok Shop. They are just cheaper on TikTok Shop for sure. Like that, there's that portable keychain on Amazon, like $80. The portable storage, and it's like 9 or 16 on TikTok Shop. Like, don't piss me off. But at the same time, I got it and I returned it the other day. And what I've been doing too is recording B-roll. I am mad I returned it before taking videos talking like this. However, you can't use the same this. You record them off the dome. So, but I recorded a bunch of B-roll of me using the product, and then now I can make a bunch of videos as I want from that, which is different voiceovers. And then, but I've seen people add their face and then bring the product in at the end. So I could make a new video like, hey, the portable storage, da da da, and then put the B-roll in there at the end of the video. So I might make some more videos like that actually later. I want to try. I seen another script. I want to try it, and I was just like, dang, I don't have the product. So we'll see. So that's a good hint too. Like I'm saying, I'm trying to do this as best as I can without spending as much money, and like distracting from trading. However, I want this to be a job too, though. Like just as much as trading, but not more than trading. But like I want to put in a lot of work and effort into this, and it usually takes me like an hour or two days out of the week, 3 days out of the week to get the videos I need. So it's not really that insane. And usually you record 2 or 3 from viral videos I've seen, and then after those 2 or 3 are recorded, then my mind's like, okay, I'm gonna try this for the next 3 or 4. So it's kind of cool. And the next products I got are really cool, really tech products. So here they go. They came in today, and I don't feel like recording videos right now. Also, record videos when you feel like you'll get in a zone where you want to record videos. You know, if you record when you don't want to, it will show in the video. But also, just don't ever feel like recording till you just never put one out. So I feel like I'm gonna record some tomorrow. I'm going on a little road trip tomorrow to see my sister, so I might wait till just Sunday when I get back, or Saturday. We'll see. I might bring the products to her house and record them there. You never know. So it just is what it is. And yeah. And these products were way cheaper this time. So I'm like, ugh, good. My first batch was like 208, and I only got $50 back because there were a lot of supplements. And the second one was 120, and I got my whole 120 back. And in this batch of 3 products was only like $45. So even if like these like I don't get a refund, it's like okay, cool. Um so we'll see. I'm feeling like I can record more videos with these two as well, these 3. One, super oversaturated, the earwax camera remover, but people just say they do well. They always do well. It's one of those things that people swear they always do well. So I'm gonna see, and then yeah, my first sale though in day 9. So it's possible to get a sale in day 9. Now I could not get a sale for 6 months. That's why I don't want to be like super obsessive over that. Like I just want to keep posting and keep doing the things. But my philosophy, again, I only made $1. I feel like you're gonna post all these videos and then like 2 3 months, 4 months down the line, there's all gonna hit and all your views are gonna come. You're like you're warming up your FYP and then all of a sudden they're all gonna come in and you're gonna just make $10,000, $5,000, $6,000 is what I feel is gonna happen. So we'll see. But yes, first sale in 9 days, it is possible. And I hope that helps you guys, and we'll keep going now because, like I said, we're going to 100K. So $1 has been made, y'all. So I'll see y'all next time, and we'll see when the next sale comes or when the next good bit of money comes in. It's really exciting, actually. I didn't think I'd be excited to make $1, but probably the best $1 I think I made, even over trading money, for real, for real. But see y'all next time.